How to copy a table from Claude AI into Microsoft Word. Let's get started. For that, first of all, you want to open up your browser. In the search bar, search for Claude AI, and just like that, you want to go ahead and find the table you want to copy. After that, click on this three dot, then simply tap on Copy to Clipboard. Now next, open up the MS Word in your desktop, and just like that in Searcher, you want to go ahead and simply paste the copied content into a document. Now, if the table doesn't keep the formatting, you can go ahead and simply select the text, tap on Insert, then click on Table. After that, you want to go ahead and simply use the Convert Text to Table option if available, and Word will automatically create a table from copied data. From here, you can go ahead and simply choose a table style, add borders, and customize the appearances to match the document. That's it. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.